Kapag ang puso'y natutong magmahal.
Habang nakatayo tayo muli sa harap ng isa't isa, hindi ko maiwasang balikan
May kulay
kung saan tayo nagsimula. Simple lang ang una nating kasal. Maaaring sabihin ng iba na kulang o cheap, pero sabi mo nga, bato yun, batoy. Pero yun ang pag-asa. Puno yun ng pag-asa, tapang at pagmamahal. Wala man tayong budget noon, hanggang ngayon wala. Yeah. Pero sapat na sapat ka na at ako para simulan natin ang lahat.
Kay hirap unawain bawat damdamin.
25 years ago when we first said our vows, life was not easy then. We were young.
Sa langit
Carrying so many responsibilities and facing so many challenges.
itong bato sa buhangin.
Ma, Pa, today is more than just a celebration, but a reminder to all of us what it truly means to stay, to choose, and to love one another over and over again. Both of you had your first vows at the young age of 23 and 24. And now that I'm 24 myself, mas lalo kong naintindihan kung paano pala kayo kabata o nagsisimula pa lang noon. Ang dami niyong hinarap, mga pangarap, mga takot at mga responsibilidad.
Ilang beses ko bang dapat sabihin lahat ng sasabihin paulit-ulit? At ilang beses bang papangako sa'yong di ako mawawala?
That journey from where we started to where we are now is one of the things I am most proud of in our story. And because that we never stop. We work hard. We sacrifice. We kept going no matter how difficult life.
Habang buhay, ako'y nariyan. Lagi kang kakantahan na hindi ako.
Now is the best version of ourselves, sabi nga natin dalawa. Nagsumikap na para sa ating retirement plans. Yan na yung namin. Sa kinabukasan ng ating pamilya, kasama ang dalawa nating anak, si Reggie and Gia.
Isang bituin sa aking paningin.
I just wanted to say, I am happy to be here, seeing all of us here together. Like, this means so much to me. I wish for both of you to have long, healthy lives so you can continue to share more happy memories together with me and Ate. And so you can be there to see me grow and succeed in life.
And I'm proud to say that I'm forever thankful that I grew up in a loving home. Not perfect, but tries, forgives when at fault, understand when in pain, and reliable when in need.
Hindi ako mawawalang maglalaro. Hindi ako magsasawang mahalin ang nag-iisang bituin sa aking paningin. Hindi ako alis sa tabi mo. magsasawang mahalin ang nag-iisang bituin sa aking paningin.
We are gathered here tonight to celebrate not the beginning of a marriage, but a continuation of beautiful journey. 25 years ago, you stood before each other and made promises. Tonight, you reaffirm those promises, not as newlyweds, but as partners who have shared life, challenges, and triumphs together.
Sa unang salyak sa iyong mukha ay alam ko agad na kailangan ng pamagat ng gagawin nating kwento.
Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa akin sa sarili mong paraan, lalo na sa pag-alala mo palagi sa health ko. Even in your simplest reminders, nararamdaman ko kung gaano mo kamahal. I may not always say it, but it means everything to me.
Thank you for supporting me in everything I want to do, for believing in me, and for always standing beside me. Thank you for never giving up. Thank you for choosing your family every single day. Thank you for listening and for hearing my opinion that made me feel respected and truly loved.
Sana'y ikaw at ako sa dulo ng pahina ng aking libro.
And I want you to always remember that me and Ate are always here for you. Just like you've always been there for us. I love you both very much. Thank you.
Their love was never just for the two of them. Their love was meant to be shared. In one way or another, it became a form of blessing to all of us gathered here today. Sa maliit man na bagay o sa malaking sandali na naramdaman po natin ang presensya po ng kanilang pag-ibig. Ma, Pa, kung pagmamahal ay isang desisyon, salamat dahil pinili niyo ang isa't isa. Dahil sa pagpiling yon, pinili niyo po kaming lahat. Love you.
Sa bawat saya mo.
Today, I renew my promise to always beside you, to support you in every season, to celebrate every blessing with you, and to continue walking this journey. You are still my home, my greatest blessing.
Pipiliin kita araw-araw kahit sa mahihirap na araw. I promise to listen more, to understand you better, and to grow with you. I promise to take care of my health, not just for me but for you and to our family. I promise to stand beside you in every adventure, every trouble at sa lahat ng pangarap.
After everything we have been through, after 25 years, I still do.
I love you then, I love you now, and I will continue loving you for the rest of my life. Happy silver wedding anniversary, mahal ko. Salamat sa 25 years of love and for the lifetime we will share together.
Alalay sa'yo, magtiwala ka lang, mahal ko. Kay tagal hinintay ang araw na to na makita kang naglalakad at patungo ng altar. Dala ang ating pangako na tayo hanggang dulo.
By the love you share and the promises you have renewed, I joyfully affirm your marriage once again. You may seal your vows with
Kasama
peace.
kang maglalakbay sa bawat yugto ng kwentong sinusulat ko. Mapapangako sa'yo, walang hanggang pagmamahal ibibigay ko. Hanggang sa pagtanda, aalalay sa'yo, marinig ko lang sagot mong oo.